connection between history and us. The study of science helps us find the answer to many questions. For example, environmental science studies the problems of degradation of the environment, pollution, etc., and looks for their solution. In the same way, every science has its own area of study. History studies events of the past. Individual or collective actions of human being have consequences. Consequences means result or effect. They result in an environment that may be either favorable or unfavorable for our day-to-day life. Favorable means beneficial. For example, if the people of a village work together and help one another, the village may good progress. But if the people cannot come together, it put obstacle in the way of its development. Obstacle means barrier or a thing that block one's way. History attempts to find out answers to many questions by studying the way of thinking of past societies, their actions, and the consequences. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. History provides us guidelines. History inspires and motivates us by telling us life stories of great people like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Jhansi Ki Rani, etc. By studying history, we get to know exchange of civilization. We learn about the progress of human civilization. We also understand how people's way of life went on changing. Every village, city, district, state has its own history. Similarly, the earth, its mountains, water bodies, the animal world, mankind all have their own history. Not only about all these things, but every science too has a history. It tells of the many scientific discoveries that brought about important changes in human civilization and of the scientists who made those discoveries. There is connection between past, present, and future. The past, present, and future are linked by a continuous chain of events. For example, the Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. This is the historical action. As a result, India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. So we can say that independence was a consequence of an action. That is, the Indian people struggle for independence. In this way, there is connection between past, present, and future. That is what we learn from history. For example, we learn that man began to make tools from material available in nature. He learned how to make use of fire, and he also invented the wheel. The next generation added to these developments. Technology developed further hand in hand with physical and intellectual development of man. This process is going on continuously even today. Invention of today are only possible only the foundation of the discoveries and the invention of past.